Namaste friends, hello Dosto, welcome to Mudita Naari's colorful channel. In today's video, I'm going to share with you a process of making a Christmas bunting. For this first step, I've cut out a triangle from a cereal box and the measurement are in centimeters 17 by 17 by 15 approximately. For this step, I'm going to use some of the festive fat quarters from Aldi. I'm also going to use this triangle as my stencil and cut the fabric like this. I've chosen this festive color and fabric and there are 6 pieces each and I've ironed them and they are ready for the next stage. I've taken one piece from each of the pile that is red and green and I've placed it on the side that matches closely. Step, I'm going to use this micro wooden pegs, a Poundland by to hold my fabric. Next is stitching. I've inserted a small screen here so you can see it's basically a simple stitch. Finish stitching all the pieces. Next step is using the glue gun, stick them. Finish with glue gun for a while. I've stick all of them, but the way I've applied glue gun is lightly in the middle like this. And important thing is leave some space on the top for the string to pass through both the ends. I'm using this fabric now and I've cut one fold which measured at 12 cm by 55 cm, where 12 is width and 55 is length roughly. And then I further cut it to 3 cm by 55 cm. Then pinching all 4 sides and sticking it like this using the glue gun. Using the same strip, I'm going to place my triangle on the middle of the strip and start gluing it with the glue gun like this, making sure the gap at the top for the string to pass through remains intact. Without disturbing the stitching, I'm going to cut these extra chunks. So all these 6 pieces are ready for the next step. I've stuck these bells on these pom-poms using glue gun. Again using glue gun, I'm going to stick these 2 yellow pom-poms on top and 1 pink pom-pom at the bottom. Like this. All done. For this bit, I'm using 35mm jute string from Tiger and tying it around this safety pin and inserting this safety pin into the top part where the gap was and pushing the safety pin towards the other end like this, and continue doing so for the other pieces. I bought this keyring from a pound shop and I'm going to tie that at both the end, and that's it my friends. My Christmas bunting is ready to be hanged. And I've taken some more videos during the daytime, so this is how it looks. It looks quite pretty according to me, but I would like to know what you think as well. So please do let me know, and I'm going to put some more pictures of this bunting on my Instagram. So please have a look and let me know what you think of this video. And if you are new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button. It's a cost-free subscription. And if you have liked this video, please give me a thumbs up and leave a comment. Thank you for watching this video, my friends. Take care. Till we meet again. Bye. Avjo. Bye.